All right, let's talk about something super frustrating. You're a creator, you're ready to go, and you're trying to set up your AdSense account. But you hit a wall, the phone verification step. It can feel like you're stuck in this endless loop, so close to the finish line. Well, today, we are gonna break that loop for good.
Oh boy, does this message look a little too familiar? This one sentence has probably caused more headaches than anything else. You've tried your number, your mom's number, your best friend's number, and you just keep getting this. Or maybe it says, we couldn't send a verification code. It seriously feels like a dead end.
So is this you? Are you stuck in that exact loop right now? Mashing the refresh button, trying a different browser, and just feeling like you're yelling at a brick wall? I'm telling you, you are not alone. This happens to people constantly. But the good news? There is absolutely a way out. And here's our plan of attack. First, we're gonna figure out why you're really stuck. Then we'll cover some simple first aid fixes. After that, I'll let you in on the most effective secret. It's all about using an established account. We'll even tackle those dreaded duplicate account errors. And finally, we'll wrap it all up in one simple final checklist. Okay, let's dive into part 1, the verification dead end. And here's the thing you need to understand right away. The problem probably isn't your phone number at all. That's right, the number one reason this whole thing fails, according to countless creators who've beaten it, is using a brand spanking new Gmail account to apply for AdSense. See, Google's security systems get really suspicious with new accounts. Think of it this way. A new Gmail account is like a stranger walking into a party. Google's security is the bouncer, and it's gonna ask for extra ID. That's the phone verification that keeps failing. But an established account, one that's been around for a while, has a recovery phone number, well, Google already knows that account. It's seen as trustworthy, and a lot of the time, it just gets waved right through security, no questions asked. So let's move on to part 2, first aid. Before we do anything crazy, here are a few simple things you absolutely have to try first. The easiest fix? Do absolutely nothing. I'm serious. If you're seeing that too many attempts error, the system has put you in a timeout. So step away from the computer. Don't touch it. Go for a walk. Wait a full 72 hours. This lets the system's internal counter reset. And for a surprising number of people, just coming back 3 days later fixes the whole thing. Okay, if waiting didn't do the trick, it's time for some basic tech troubleshooting. These are the go-to steps recommended by the experts over in Google's own help forums. Clear your cache and cookies. Turn off every single browser extension. I'm looking at you, ad blockers. Log out of any other Google accounts you're signed into. Heck, just try a completely different browser, like Chrome or Firefox. Some people have even found that clearing their phone's memory and giving it a good old restart can work wonders. All right, now for part 3. This is the big one. This is the core strategy that has worked for so many creators who are at their wits' end. I call it the established account secret. This is your secret weapon. So what in the world is an established account? It's actually really simple. It's just an older Gmail address. Maybe it's your personal email you've had for years. There are 2 golden rules though. 1, it must already have a verified phone number attached to it in the main Google account settings. And 2, this is the most important part. It has never, ever been used to apply for AdSense before, not even once. And here's the magic. When you apply for AdSense with one of these trusted, established accounts, a lot of the time AdSense won't even ask you for a phone number. It's like it says, oh, I know this Google account. It's already verified and secure. We're good. And just like that, you sidestep the entire problem. But what if you're stuck because of a duplicate account error? Or what if nothing else we've talked about has worked? Well, now we have to talk about part 4, the nuke and pave option. And let me be clear, this is a last resort. This is a very specific process that has worked for some folks. Step 1, you have to go into that broken AdSense account and find the setting to formally close it down. Step 2, and this is critical, go to your main Google account page, not AdSense, and make absolutely sure your phone number is added and verified there. Only then do you go back to YouTube Studio and start the AdSense application all over again with that same email. Now hold on. Before you even think about trying that, you need to read this and read it carefully. This is super important. If you have any money sitting in that AdSense account that you're about to close, you could lose it forever. This is a high-stakes move. Only do this if you have no other choice and you're okay with potentially losing that money. Phew, okay, we have covered a lot. So let's pull it all together in our last section, your final verification checklist. This is your step-by-step master plan. So here it is, laid out from the easiest thing to the most drastic. First things first, just stop. Wait 72 hours. If that doesn't work, move on to all the browser and device fixes we talked about. Your best bet, and honestly the next thing you should try, is to use a totally different established Gmail account. And only, if all of that fails and you fully understand the risks, should you even consider that final